Philippines, my Philippine collection, coins and paper bills. This is new. I have 1,500, 100, 1,550. This is new. Next, but still this acceptable. 500, 150, 500, 120. I have coins. I already post this one, so complete. 2010, 5, 1, 50, 10, but this one 5, and I also 10, 5, and 1 peso. This is my collection. Let's go like this. Too much collection, guys. Thank you for watching.